Hey guys, so this is probably the worst portable washer in the world. It works one day and then there's another problem the next day. So I have this like set up in the closet over here. Literally, it took, I don't even know. We were dumping in water when it started on the heavy setting. And they said it needed more water and it keep dumping in water. So now, I'm going to put it on rinse. Just to show you guys what's up. I'm going to put it, it worked one day, only the rinse. Put it on 0. Put rinse. Now I'm going to just show you what it does. This is a brand new portable washer. Should it be doing this? I don't know. I didn't think buying a new washer would have so many glitches and technical difficulties. This is on rinse. It's going well, it's going well. And it's going to start making a noise. That noise. Maybe it's working. I don't think so. I think it's going to explode. Then it stops and it's at 10 minutes now asking for water. Thank God they gave me a refund because this crap is no good. Do not buy. Please do not buy this. It was a waste of my time. I had 2 buckets putting into the toilet literally 500 times. It has too many glitches for something to be new. Do not buy, please.
Can I just say, I love this thing. It's so easy to install. It's doing a rinse. I have it set on 2 rinses. Look how fast it's moving. Ready? It runs so smooth that it gets everything almost dry. Ready? It gets every little bit. There it goes. It's so quiet. It's perfect. Hooks up to the sink. You just have to take this little part off. I didn't think to put the screen back in it, in this part, because it just snaps, this snaps off, so it's just a tube of water that comes out. That's okay, because I do more laundry than anything. But it definitely gets your clothes dry. You just leave the faucet on, cold, while it's doing the wash. I love it. I totally recommend it.
I like it. The only thing I didn't get was the bottom thing underneath the washer, the slat that goes underneath it. It says it comes with 2 screws. It only came with 1 screw. So I just slid it under there and made sure it was secure. I didn't even screw it in. I hope that doesn't mess with the washer, but I'm doing a pretty big load. So, yeah, so far so good.